Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Garuda in Warframe. Garuda is a powerful Warframe known for her high damage and health-based abilities. To begin, go to your navigation and travel to Venus. From there, unlock the Fortuna Hub on Venus by completing the Venus Junction. Once Fortuna is unlocked, start the Vox Solaris quest by speaking with Yudiko in Fortuna. Completing the Vox Solaris quest will reward you with Garuda's main blueprint. Garuda's component blueprints are obtained from Orb Vallis bounties given by Yudiko. Each Garuda part drops from a specific bounty tier, so be sure to check the current bounty reward table before farming. Repeat the required bounties until you obtain Garuda's neuroptics, chassis, and systems. Once you have all three component blueprints, craft them in the foundry. These components require resources from the Orb Vallis, such as toroids and other open-world materials. After crafting all components, combine them with Garuda's main blueprint in the foundry. The final build takes 72 hours unless you choose to rush it with platinum. Alternatively, you can open the market, search for Garuda, and purchase her directly. Garuda is available in the market for 325 platinum. That's it. You've learned how to get Garuda by completing the Vox Solaris quest and farming Orb Vallis bounties for her components. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.